Now, for the benefit of our new students, right? So today we'll be covering this, okay, grammar MCQs, editing, composition. So we're going to cover all these within the next 1.5 hours, and I would really appreciate your active participation, okay? All right, so right now, let me just share with you the house rules here. So whenever you want to ask a question, unmute yourself, or you can even use the raise your hand function. Okay, but since it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you, you can just unmute yourself and teacher have a question. And if you want to go toilet or something, just let me know. Do not just disappear from there. Okay, if I want to go toilet, so I'll let you know. Okay, so anyways, I'm Miss Nadia. For the new students, any questions, you can just say, Miss Nadia, I got a question. Then we can talk about it, okay? Okay, so as I said earlier on, today we're learning this, grammar MCQs, editing, and also composition writing. Okay, so let's start with the first one, grammar MCQs. Now, there will be some words that you're not sure, maybe new words. You must tell me, teacher, I don't know what it means. I will tell you the meaning. You need to write inside your vocabulary tab in the student portal. Okay, so for now, I need you guys to try this question first. Type your answer in the chat first. D. Yes, absolutely, definitely. Okay, that thunderclap. Basically, the thunder that you hear was so loud. So that was absolutely deafening. Okay, it was so loud. Okay, so if you don't know the meaning of any words, you all have to just tell me, teacher, what does this word mean? Okay, and then you can look at it there. So basically, because it's to describe how loud it was. Okay. It was so loud, it was deafening. Okay, so that's D. Nice. Let's try another question. Type your answers in the chat as well. Yes, definitely. This one has no choice. You must obey your parents. Okay, D. This one must means it's like almost no choice. Okay, you cannot tell me that you might obey your parents means you got a choice. You could obey your parents, you would obey your parents. This one is like as if you have choices. When it's about your parents and your elders, there's no choice. You must respect them. Okay, yep, you all got the answer. D so far, right? Are you guys familiar with the modal verbs? Okay, great. So the level of possibility, etc. Okay, so next question. I can run faster. So it's okay, I can run faster than all the other children, Edison boasted. So that means he definitely can do it, like it's an ability. So this is his ability. So he can run faster. So may, could, would is all choices. Okay, so it's definitely something that is true. Like I can speak, I can teach, etc. Okay, so the rest would be like choices. Okay, so far all okay? With these 3 questions, all so far so good, excellent. Next question. You have good communication skills. I am sure you will clear the interview. Write your answers in the chat. Will. Yeah, you're right. You will. So it's like you're so sure of something will happen. Okay, basically this one, you're sure that it will happen. Usually would is usually just the difference in tenses in the past tense, okay? So that you will clear, that means you're so sure, confidence, it shows confidence as well. Okay, later on, I will quickly recap on the modal verbs with you guys. Okay, so far all okay, right? So last question for modals. Then I'll show you a video on modals. Can you type your answers for this first? Okay, so your answers, so you guys said that it's A, yes, so will. So basically it shows something that it sure will happen. Okay, like what I say, confidence, etc. Okay, definitely. Okay, so I will. So we will finish this class at 4:30. Let's not delay it later. So for all okay, modal verbs, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just stop sharing screen for a while. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do now is share with you a video on modal verbs. just to check our understanding.
I feel like I'm dealing with what seems like a never-ending stream of emails. Traveling has helped me be way more efficient with my time.
Okay, guys, I'm going to share the video, but you just have to confirm that you are able to, view the video and also hear the sound, yeah? Okay, so how can you hear and see the video? All okay? Great. So I'm going to continue this. Okay, so I'm going to pause somewhere along the way. Thank you. Thank you so much for your reactions. It's very helpful. I'm going to pause along the way. Do you all have like an English notebook or somewhere that you write some English notes? If you have, can you please take it out, put on the table first? I give you 30 seconds to do that. Okay, so that is actually on modal verbs. All okay, right? I think all of you are clearer now. Okay, so now let me continue the slides. Okay, the next one would be, the next thing that we need to do is editing. Okay, so what you do is, I'm going to show you the editing passage. You type in your answers in the chat, okay? Then we'll go through from there. Okay, so editing. So look at this page. Can you guys just read on your own first? Then you type in answers for 6 till 9 in the chat function. Type in your answers there. Okay, you have about 5 minutes to do this. Okay. I think most of your answers are already there. So every 4 years, what happened to the pen? Okay. So I spell athletes from around the world gather to compete in events such as sprinting, long jump, discus, snowboarding, and figure skating as part of the Olympics. Yeah, prize, bragging rights. Okay, hang on. For their home country, plus, shiny medals. Winners don't always get a medal though. Victors in the earliest Olympics won a crown of olive leaves. Would you want that? When you win something and then you get a crown of olive leaf, you want or not? Do you want that? I'd rather just get a crown instead of leaves. Okay, so that's what happened in the past. They don't get medals, they get olive leaf. But in the past, olive are like a very expensive or very treasured item. So that's why they get olive leaves. But I think this question, all of you managed to get it correct. Okay, so far okay. Okay, so I was like, where's Jekai? Hang on, yeah, let me check where's Jekai. Bragging victors, okay. Let me just stop share. Oh, Jekai, you're back. Just now I didn't get to see you. It's okay. I think you got locked out or something. No worries. Okay, I'm going to continue. Let's continue with the questions. Okay, so far all are okay with this. So let me continue to the next page. Okay, you try again. 10 till 14. Continue. Type in the chat. Okay, I think most of you have already written your answers. So let's check here. The first known Olympics were held in the summer of 776 BC at Olympia, a site in oopsie daisy. A site in southern Greece when people went to worship their gods. In fact, the Olympics were created in honor of ancient Greece's most famous god Zeus. Today, thousands of athletes from hundreds of countries all over the world throw their heads in the ring and fight to claim their goal. I think you guys all got the correct answers for all. So far, so good, I think. All of you managed to finish it. All okay, right? So far, all of you got the right answers. Okay, shall we do one last page of editing before we start with the next one? Last page, these 3 words only. So type in your answers in the chat. You have 3 minutes.